Welcome to day 14 of our AI comparison series. Today, we're learning one of the most important basics in machine learning: the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. These two decide how a model learns and what kind of problems it can solve. Supervised learning simply means the model is trained with labeled data. This means for every input, the correct output is already known. So the model learns a direct mapping. If this is the input, this should be the output. This method is perfect for tasks like predicting house prices or classifying emails as spam or not spam. For example, in email filtering, the system sees many emails where each mail is already labeled as spam or not spam. So it learns by example and then predicts for new emails. Unsupervised learning does not use labels. The model only gets raw data and must discover patterns by itself. It finds similarities, groups, clusters, and hidden structures. This is used when we have data but no predefined answers. For example, an e-commerce website may want to group customers based on buying behavior. There are no labels like "this person belongs to group A." The model looks at the patterns and automatically forms groups. Let's understand this comparison table clearly and deeply. First, the type of data. Supervised learning always requires labeled data, meaning every input has a correct answer attached. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data, so the model has no guidance. It must figure out patterns on its own. Next is the goal. Supervised learning tries to predict an output, for example, predicting a house price or classifying a photo. Unsupervised learning doesn't predict anything. Its job is to discover hidden patterns, like grouping similar customers. Now look at what the model is actually learning. Supervised learning maps X to Y, from input to the right answer. Unsupervised learning learns the structure of the data, what is similar, what is different, what naturally forms a group. The examples also make this difference clear. Spam detection or price prediction are supervised tasks because we know the answers beforehand. Clustering customers or detecting unusual transactions are unsupervised because there are no labels telling the model what group each item belongs to. Finally, the use case. Supervised learning is used when we already know the correct answers and want to teach the machine to repeat them. Unsupervised learning is used when we don't know the answers and want the machine to help us understand the data. In simple words, supervised learning is like teaching a student with answer keys. Unsupervised learning is like asking the student to study a topic and find patterns without any answers given. To summarize, supervised learning predicts, unsupervised learning discovers. Both methods are powerful and form the foundation of machine learning. Thank you for watching day 14 of our comparison series. Today we learned how supervised and unsupervised learning help AI understand data in two different ways. Join me tomorrow for day 15, where we'll explore another important comparison that will make machine learning even clearer. See you in the next session.